Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you know, on this channel, I'm obsessed with social media, and so this video comes to no surprise to you guys. It's going to be about social media as well. So, after the past 2 years, I've done a lot of research and studying the top businessmen and top influencers on social media. I found something that I've come up with. So I found that there's 3 types of content that work best on social media, and what I wanted to do is share this with you guys today. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so coming in at number 1, the first type of content that people love, or the first E that I've come up with, is educational content. Now, people love to be educated. There's actually research which I've read that says people consult the internet, or Google rather, before they talk to a family member or a close partner when they come across an obstacle in their life. I'll give you one example. When I was looking for university accommodation, I needed to know very quickly, you know, what's the importance of going to university? You know, what am I going to gain out of it? Any tips for going to university, or you know, being successful at university? And what should I do, or you know, what should I do to optimize my time there? And I looked to YouTube because YouTube had so much, you know, content of people who had already done it and been there. So honestly, the internet is a surplus or plethora of information for whatever industry or topic that you're in. If you can post educational content that's going to help or bring value to someone's life, that's going to do extremely well, because you're honestly helping someone improve their quality of life, basically. And you're going to be seen as someone who, you know, as the positive person, as the person who has helped them, and people are going to look at you in a more positive light. So, and having said that, it's going to bring you engagement, because people are going to share your video since you've educated them on a particular topic and you've been helpful. So just think about if you went to school and you or university, think about all of the Khan Academy videos. Even the teachers were sharing those to us. So even like, yeah, literally the Khan Academy videos. If you're, for me, for example, I was looking all over YouTube for anatomy videos, and there were people or doctors even, who posted videos or educational content basically on learning anatomy, different strategies, different sort of mnemonics, or like things that I could remember. People love educational content because everyone wants to learn and everyone wants to improve themselves. So yeah. Okay, so coming in at number 2, it is to entertain. Content that entertains is literally the majority of content on social media nowadays. So the reason it works so well is because content that entertains evokes emotion. Now, when you can evoke emotion in a person, that's when you can get them to actually react and take action. And so when they do take action, they're either liking or commenting or doing some other sort of engagement with your post. So if your content is you know, either funny or you know, really again, emotional, funny, so it's evoking emotion. It's thrilling. It's you know, some sort of it's scary, or it's cool to watch. You know, really trying to get the person's attention. So just think about the movie industry and think about the different types of genres that they have. They have thriller, drama, you know, science fiction, horror, fantasy, all of these things which all do one thing. They evoke emotion, they get people's attention, and they draw them in, they bring them in. And so when you have people's attention and you have their emotions, you've evoked their emotions, it helps them, it allows them to take action, because I'll tell you why, and I'll go into it in my next point. It bypasses the logic side of the brain, which has the bullshit antennae, which says that, oh, this piece of content, or this, you know, piece of film or video, picture, whatever it is crap, and you know, I don't like it. But when it's funny and it makes someone laugh, or it creates some sort of emotion, it allows people to to feel more comfortable with that content or with that post. And so this is what allows people to actually take action and again, like a particular post or comment or whatever. But yeah, so entertain is that number 2. Okay, and lastly, number 3, I know you're gonna say, I'm gonna say inspire, but I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, Masood, did you pass the GCSEs, bro? Like, inspire, it starts with an I. Well, my argument to that is, in some countries, it actually can start with an E. But that's out of the question. Let's continue anyway. So, inspirational content is something that people love. Inherently, as human beings, we are all sort of lazy and we like to, do things the easier way. And so sometimes what we look to is the internet or social media to help us be productive. So we might go on social media to help us inspire ourselves by watching someone motivational, whether that may be a motivational speaker, or we may watch some sort of documentary or some sort of rags to riches story, which is similar to ours and actually can inspire us to do more and be more, and actually be productive. So inspirational content is the third E that I wanted to talk to you guys about. In all of these 3s that I just mentioned, the underlying principle or the underlying psychology behind it is they all evoke some sort of emotion in a person. Once you can do that, once you can get emotion from someone, that's when you're really in a place where you can ask the person or make the person take action, because it's a different part of the brain, and that's basically the gateway to engagement. So create emotion in your content and you will have a massive amount of engagement on your social media, basically. But yeah, so that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was educational. I hope it was engaging or entertaining, and inspiring at the same time. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like. If you want to share your opinion, leave me a comment. Other than that, please subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. I'm gonna catch you guys later. So take care. Peace.